Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage coleslaw mayonnaise. First, you'll need to gather your fresh ingredients. Make sure your eggs, oil, and vinegar are all at room temperature. This helps everything combine smoothly. Using a food processor or an immersion blender will make the emulsification process much easier and quicker. We'll start by combining the egg yolk with a few key seasonings to build a flavorful base for our creamy dressing. Now let's create that perfect creamy base. In your blender or food processor, combine 1 large egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Add a pinch of salt and a dash of white pepper to enhance the flavor. With the motor running, slowly drizzle in 1 cup of neutral oil, like canola or grapeseed, in a very thin stream. This gradual addition is crucial for achieving a thick, stable emulsion. Once your mayonnaise is thick and creamy, it's time to perfect the flavor. Give it a taste and adjust the salt, pepper, or vinegar to your preference. If you like a slightly sweeter coleslaw, consider adding about a half teaspoon of sugar. For an extra tangy kick, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice works wonderfully. Remember, this is your homemade mayonnaise, so feel free to customize it to suit your palate perfectly. To keep your delicious homemade mayonnaise fresh, transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay good for up to 5 days, perfect for several batches of coleslaw or other dishes. This fresh mayo truly elevates any meal. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your amazing coleslaw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.